I'm Tracy. I'm here at the Office of Student Involvement, and today I'm going to show you how to set up our Cricut that you can check out and use for all of your student organization resources needs. The only things that you're going to need is the Cricut and either a tablet or a computer.
Once you have Cricut Design Space downloaded to your device, you can begin the machine setup process. If you already have a login, you can sign in now. Otherwise, you're going to need to create a new user. Once you have entered your information, click Create Cricut ID. Up Cutting Machine and Continue. Then click Explore Air 2 and Continue. Follow the directions on the screen and swipe to the next page. If your machine isn't plugged in, do so now and click Continue. From here, you're going to connect your device to the machine. When it prompts you to put in a PIN, enter 4 zeros. Once you're connected, hit Continue. Then click the Activate button. The next prompts that come up, you can skip if you wish. Now you're ready to start creating your design.
Now that you have the Cricut all set up to your device, there's a lot of resources online that you can utilize to create your perfect project. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us at involvement@uni.edu.